Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make two table the same size in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, insert a table and going to the insert button option. Then click for the table option. Then create a table. This table is the two table AM is same size. The same size table is first table is select and keyboard press the Ctrl C, then click for the mouse, keyboard press Ctrl V, then we show the same two table and same size in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.